Today's video is brought to you in part by Craftsy. Dollar Tree brilliant and new staples you need this year. Y'all, some of these things are gonna blow your mind. The Stack 'em Up containers. This is the way to get yourself a fully custom organized space on a budget. Are you ready? Because I'm ready.
These containers are amazing in a craft room or a closet. I'm going to be using it in this space. I also picked up some Dollar Tree mini frames and of course some nano tape. I am showing you tons of organizing ideas in this video. I used the nano tape to attach it to baskets in my craft room, and then I connected these bins together so they wouldn't topple over. I love how this space functions for me in what otherwise would have been a space that was really difficult to organize. I've got an entire craft room tour coming up, so you stay tuned. But first, a brand new Dollar Tree tray. I have never seen these mirrored trays before, and I was talking with one of the employees. She said they just got these, and I am in love with the new Dollar Tree skincare. They have an amazing hyaluronic acid. This is $1.25. This is from the Spa Essentials line, so this is like the second or third product I've seen like this, but I was really impressed when I tested this out. I love all of the amazing and non-plastic options you could use to organize from Dollar Tree. And you may remember in a recent video, I shared with you my Dollar Tree pantry organization, my freestanding pantry.
Okay, there are so many Dollar Tree glass staples, but I just want to show you this because it is my most used product in the kitchen. These glass prep bowls. You get 4 for $1.25. I like putting all of my spices pre-portioned, especially if I need to be working really quickly or I want the kids to help in the kitchen. These are fantastic and such a savings compared to Amazon.
When you come to do it on a dime, I want you to feel so inspired that you see something in Dollar Tree and think, oh my gosh, I deserve that and I can afford it.
This is a brand new product and it's adorable. Wax paper in a plaid design. Instead of using storage baggies, you can wrap up sandwiches in this. It's so cute and still $1.25.
I really liked this one. I thought it would be great for gift ideas too. And I've got to show you the book section. Have you purchased books from Dollar Tree before?
And you can use these for creative ideas to organize around your home. Are you ready to see this? I am so excited. Check it out.
I wasn't kidding when I said I wanted to bring you Dollar Tree organizing jackpots. Now, I've seen some of these ideas floating around on TikTok. This is one of those ideas that was totally a blog idea in like 2014, but people are just like resurfacing it because it's actually really cool. Taking old cookbooks, maybe old books that you already have, and using this as a knife block. It just adds such charm and whimsy. It is so much fun. And stay tuned because in a minute, I'm going to show you how I saved $119 using coffee filters. I'm not kidding. These hacks save big.
And if you like crafting, you absolutely have to check out Craftsy and this awesome deal.
Craftsy is your online resource for all things creative. I've been really loving book art. My son Carson actually made this heart book and we ended up putting it on our mantle. It was such a simple DIY. I learned all about how to do it from Alton Dulaney on Craftsy. Craftsy has thousands of classes across all different types of DIYs and instructional videos that are taught by talented and friendly experts. I love the classes because they teach each technique with step-by-step demonstrations and they provide expert tips and tricks, and it just gets me thinking in creative and new ways. From sewing, quilting, knitting, cake decorating, crochet, you name it, it's probably on Craftsy. They're always creating new classes to keep you coming back for more, helping you stay inspired. I have taken so many tips away from the simple instructions. You can even connect with fellow makers and DIY lovers, ask your questions, share ideas, and maybe you're like, this has got to be super expensive. No, if you're one of the first 1,000 people to click my link in the description box below, you will get a year of premium membership to Craftsy for $1.49. Offer valid for new members only. You can't beat that. They're one of my favorite partners to work with. I can't wait to hear about some of your amazing DIYs.
Today's video is all about true amazing staples.
And we've got a lot coming up, but first, let's save over $100.
Dollar Tree sells wreath forms, and I can hardly believe this, but the store Knot and Spool has a trending wreath that's over $100 that's made out of coffee filters. Y'all, do you remember that I made about 12 years ago now a coffee filter wreath on my channel? If you've been around that long, leave a comment down below so I can just like love on you and say hello.
This new wreath trend is so simple to replicate, literally all from Dollar Tree. Maybe you have like hot glue hopes and glitter regrets, or maybe just your hot glue gun has betrayed you. Like, I really want to bring you DIYs that anyone can do. You can do this, I promise. Zip tie some ribbons together in a bow form. Just layer them up, and I just took a pool noodle that I had on hand because I didn't want to spend any extra money, and I duct taped it together. Then you just grab a few packs of coffee filters. I put this over top of a pen, and then I added a bit of hot glue, and then you just want to work your way around the wreath form. Pool noodle, whatever you've got. And I ended up doubling this up so I could work a little faster. Trust me, this is literally the most mindless and easy craft, and you keep going until it fills up the entire pool noodle. And then when it gets super full, you flip it over and keep adding more coffee filters. This is great to listen to a podcast or a show. I just like the crafts that are actually easy. Then you trim it down, and truly, this turns out exactly like the original. Sometimes dupes don't look like the originals, but this one actually does. I grabbed some Dollar Tree Voila ribbon, and again, I just use zip ties to make my bows look nice. And then I taped this onto the back of the wreath because having that draping bow is what's going to give you that really luxury effect. You can also singe the edges so they don't fray. Look at this. Look how beautiful this turned out. Y'all, I made this for about $10. And the bows themselves, like the bows alone, are like $70 from Knot and Spool. And the wreath is $119. Like, this is a DIY that is so big, so stately. I've already gotten so many compliments on it, and we are not done, my friend.
When it comes to hacks, shower rings are a staple from Dollar Tree. These are the best deal that you can find. I use these for organization, and I use these for decor. You can attach this to any type of plants, hanging hooks, even use these to hang pots and pans in your kitchen off of a towel bar. It's awesome. This is a brand new product, okay? This is a 4-grip plastic rotating hook. Now, I've seen these before just as a standard hook, but this one actually hooks over a bar. I think you could use this in your shower for hanging loofahs, all sorts of tools. I would love to know if you've tried these. I have 2 for $1.25. I wish I could give one to one of you. I want to know where you use it. When it comes to organizing staples, I think this is the unsung hero of 2025. Not only do these work great in kitchens, I like to stick this in drawers, and then I can roll up my towels inside so I can see everything. I've used these in closets. The size is great, especially for those little items you're organizing. Any faux woven organizer like this one is absolutely a staple. You can organize an entire space for about $15. Dollar Tree brought back their turntables, their Lazy Susans. These are acrylic and a staple for 2025. And the cleaning systems from Dollar Tree are a staple. And if you didn't know this, do not skip on the foldable dustpans. These actually fold up into your broom for easier storage. They also have broom handles here. And what is more, they have these rubber brooms, which are great on carpets and hardwood floors, especially on pet hair. It even has this little squeegee on the top. It's a game changer.
This is on a friend's rug, and she fosters cats. And even though she vacuums the rug, this was able to get up all of that extra cat hair. Like, if you bought nothing else from Dollar Tree and you have pets, this is the product I would recommend, hands down.
I promise this trick is a game changer. LA's Totally Awesome Cleaner is fan-stinking-tastic, not only as a surface spray, but this works really great on fabrics for stains and carpet. If you have oil stains, rust stains, or even blood stains, this helps get it out. All you have to do is dilute it according to the directions on the back. This also works amazingly well for power washing. Putting this right inside your power washer to get a sparkling clean, this stuff is always going to be one of my favorites. Here's a brand new product, these moisture absorbers. I've seen these at Walmart, I've seen them on Amazon. You hang this in your closet to absorb moisture, and over time the bag collects water. But this is a great price.
And right now, don't forget stain remover pens. These are OxyClean brand, and I love these dusting mitts. They're awesome.
Doitonadime staple. Be sure, because both of these are $1.25. Here you get 75 and here you get 40. I use these to clean my lampshades. This is such a game changer. They're also really great to clean curtains. Love this trick.
All right, are you ready for the house tour? Yay, house tour!
So as promised, I want to take you around my craft room. This is where do it on a dimes, and show you all the elements. And I would love to hear what your craft room is like. Mine really has to function for me because this place gets explosive when I'm working. So this is the closet that I ended up redoing, and I'm so happy with it. I love the flowers back here. I love these organizing containers up top. And then out here, this is where I keep my pretty craft supplies that I can store in a beautiful way. For me, functional storage behind closed doors and beautiful storage out front. I love these containers. I got them from Walmart for all of my ribbons. And then this over here is the desk that you always see in crafting projects. Like, this is the surface that I tend to work on. I have a little storage bench, and then I have cube shelves, but my favorite spot of the room is the center. And this is a wheelie cart. I got this from Home Depot for $169, but I have baskets underneath that I can pull in and out for each of my projects. And I do not like when I'm working to be able to see everything because I only want to see the craft that I'm working on. So these are my favorite. These are 3 bookcases that I got from IKEA. I have some favorite craft projects up top. And here I just keep extra supplies that are really easy to see, just in like hanging organizers. And it's not super beautiful in here, but that's okay. I know where everything is, which is what matters. I get so many questions about this, and this is the most random storage product, but I love it. It's just an over the hinge organizer. You literally attach this to your door hinges, and then you can use this for extra supplies. So in really small spaces, this thing works great. I love it. I'll be sure to link it below.
You are worth it, my beautiful friend. Be sure to check out Craftsy. The link is down below, and get a year membership for new members for just $1.49.
Like this video, give it a thumbs up. My beautiful friend, if nobody has told you today, guess what? You are enough. I'll catch you soon.